How to make money from home in less than 20 minutes a day. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all you busy bees out there. We're going to show you how to make money from the comfort of your home in less than 20 minutes a day. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive right in. First up, microtasks and gig apps. There are platforms that pay you for small online tasks like surveys, data entry, or even testing websites. Spend just a few minutes a day, and the earnings can add up surprisingly quickly. Remember, consistency is key here. Set aside a dedicated 20 minutes daily, and watch your earnings grow. Freelancing is another fantastic option. You can offer quick services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or social media management, there are people out there willing to pay for your skills. Don't overcommit, choose small, manageable projects that fit your schedule. Dropshipping with online marketplaces, host, displaying online marketplace logos. Ever thought about dropshipping? Partner with online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon, and you can start selling products without handling inventory. In less than 20 minutes, you can list items and manage your store. With a bit of research and smart pricing, this can be a rewarding venture. Content creation and YouTube, host, holding a camera or smartphone. If you're comfortable in front of a camera or enjoy writing, consider content creation. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. In 20 minutes a day, you can record a short video or write a blog post. Consistency and quality content are key to growing your audience and income. And there you have it, 4 ways to make money from home in less than 20 minutes a day. It's all about using your time wisely and staying committed to your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start now, and watch your income grow while staying in your comfort zone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy money making from home.